In this video, you'll create and run a Java application using IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition, the free version. Here on the welcome page, let's create an application from scratch by selecting New Project. In the New Project window, we'll select the features we want to use to create our application. Let's give it a name of Hello World. Make sure there are no spaces in the name. By default, the location of our project will be stored under our home directory within a directory called IDEA Projects. We can change that if we wish by opening the directory view and choosing a new location. The default is fine for this project, so let's click Cancel and stick with what we have. If you want to initialize a new Git repository in the project directory once the project has been created, you can check the Create Git Repository box. Checking the box just initializes the local Git repository. It doesn't connect your project to any remote repo like GitHub or GitLab. You'll need to do that yourself once the project has been created. We'll uncheck it for now. Next, we select the primary language used for our application. Java is the default, but there are other JVM languages that are supported, including Kotlin, Groovy, and as we'll see in just a moment, Scala. You can create an HTML project and even a Python or Rust language project. We'll stick with Java. We're given a choice of the build system we wish to use, IntelliJ, Maven, or Gradle. They all have their pros and cons, but we'll use the IntelliJ build system. If IntelliJ was able to find a JDK on your system, it will be shown along with the version information. Depending on your system configuration, selecting the dropdown may show you additional JDKs available for use. And you can even add a new JDK by downloading it. If we select Download, we get a dialog box that allows us to select the version from 1.8 up to the most current version. Under Vendor, we can see a list of the organizations that have created their own distributions of Java. And under Location, we can specify where on our system the version will be stored should we choose to download a new version. We'll stay with what we have right now and cancel out of these dialogues and go back to the New Project window. Now that we're done configuring everything, we'll click the Create button. IntelliJ creates our project and loads it into the IDE. We'll create our first source file by right-clicking on the SRC directory in the project window, and we'll select New, Java Class. Let's call our class Hello World. Classes in Java by convention start with an uppercase letter for all the words in the name, so we'll make the H and W uppercase. When we're done, press Enter or Return on your keyboard. Notice under the SRC folder, there's an entry for Hello World. That's the .java file we just created in our project that will be written to disk. In the editor on the right side, we'll add some code to the class definition that IntelliJ just created for us. Standalone Java applications need a main method as a starting point to begin execution. Let's add that method. Public, static, void, main. And we'll add the parameter to our main method, string, open and close brackets, and the variable name args. Let's write a simple message to the screen using the system, out, println method. In quotes, we'll add our string, the message, Hello World. To run our code, we can choose any of the green arrows. We'll choose the one in the gutter and select Run Hello World.main. And in the Run window below our code, we see our message displayed. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.